So hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Awesome Club. So as we discussed, we are going to start a complete RHCSA series where we will cover everything from the very beginning, whether you are a complete beginner, intermediate or even advanced. We will cover all the topics in detail based on Reddit 10, which is the latest version. We will also discuss all the latest changes introduced in the version and prepare thoroughly for the RHCSA certification. In this RHCSA certification preparation series, we will cover every single step in detail. We will also create a dedicated video explaining in the exam detail, including the exam pattern, format, and everything you need to know about how the exam is conducted. Everything we will cover in this video. So guys, if you new to the channel, please subscribe and share it with all your IT friends who are planning to pursue certification or who want to work in Linux industry. I need your support in this journey. With your support, I'll be able to create the video more consistency and focus fully in the series. Let's begin. So in today's videos, we are going to discuss the roadmap of RHCSA certification and the overall Red Hat certification path. We will talk about which certification are mandatory and what are their advantage and which certification are available overall. We will cover all these detail in this video. If you have any doubt or question after watching the video, feel free to comment. You will get an instant response, and we will also have a Telegram channel. I will put the link in the description. You can also follow us on the Instagram and join our Telegram channel where many Red Hat and Linux experts are actively available there. You can exchange doubt, discuss concepts, or help each other if someone needs support. So let's get started, guys. Okay, so and here, if you look at the way I have explained it, if we talk about Red Hat Linux certification, so the certification generally start like this, especially if you want to work in the organization or company environment. Most enterprise server today run on Red Hat Linux, and its demand in the market is very high. So first step in this journey is RHCSA EX200. EX200 is the exam board, right? And the exam duration is like earlier that was 2.5 hour, but now that is 3 hour. Total marks is 300 and passing marks is 70%. That means 210. That means 210 marks you have to obtain in this exam to pass. Exam type is performance based. That means their performance based question will be there. This is completely hands-on exam, so there are approximately 10 to 15 main objective, and under each objective there is multiple subtasks. So we can say around 20 performance-based tasks in the exam. So your first step should be RHCSA certified. You want to start your career in the Red Hat Linux. You are looking for a good job in Linux administrator, and you want to build a strong foundation in Linux. So RHCSA is must. That's the first step. That's the first point. Second step is RHCE. RHCE means EX294 is the exam code of RHCE, Red Hat Certified Engineer. That's the full form. Exam code is EX294, exam R is 4 hour. Passing marks is 70%, and exam type is also performance based here. And RHCE mainly focus on automation and Ansible. In this certification, you will learn like how to automate Linux tasks, how to manage system using automation, how to use the Ansible automation platform, how to write and manage playbook, network automation, advanced storage concept, security implementation. These things you will learn there. Just like RHCSA, this exam is also performance based, so there are around like 10 to 15 main objective and multiple subtasks also there. So around 20 performance based tasks also available in this RHC. So again, your first step is RHCSA, and once you clear that, the next logical step is that RHCE. If you want to enter in the Red Hat Linux field, secure a good job or build a professional career in Linux, this is the proper certification roadmap. This structural path helps you move from system administrator fundamental to advanced automation and engineering level expertise. So after this, let's move to the third step, which is RHCA. RHCA means Red Hat Certified Architect. If we talk about the prerequisites, you must already have the RHCE certification for RHCA. In addition to RHCE, you must pass any 5 additional specialist certification. Any of the 5 you can choose. So if you are the following to complete Red Hat Linux certification path, your ultimate goal at the end should be RHCA. To achieve RHCA, you need a valid RHCE certification plus any 5 additional specialist certification. These things you have to require. In specialization track, like we can say under the specialization track, there are many different options available like cloud, DevOps, infrastructure, container, and Kubernetes. Any of the specialization field you can choose there. Some of the exam code in the track include like EX180, EX210, EX220, EX318, EX342, 362, 403, 415, 436. These are the exam code. These include certification related to like Kubernetes, container, automation tools, and other advanced technology. So if you are interested in any of like these exam codes, so you can search for them individually and read about the details. And if you have any doubt, you can also discuss with me in the comment. So after it, one more question is there, like why Red Hat certification are special or real world perspective, if you will see. So we can say one of the best thing about Red Hat certification is their credibility. If you compare them with the other certification like CCNA, AWS, or Azure, or any of the certification, so many of these are mostly MCQ based. First thing, in the market there are many preparation resources and like sometimes unofficial support material also available. But Red Hat certification, RHCSA, RHCE, RHCA, any of the certification are completely performance based and practical exam. There is no MCQ pattern, no theoretical guessing, no remote assistant during the exam. You must perform real task on live system. That means if you truly have like knowledge and hands-on experience, then only you can pass. Companies also know that if someone hold RHC or RHCS or RHCSA any of the certification, that person has strong practical skill. Right? This is why Red Hat certification carries strong industry value because they validate real hands-on expertise rather than theoretical knowledge. Now, after it, so if you want to search for certification, so I just type Red Hat certification on Google, and here we have this result. If I will scroll down, so here we have the first site, that is redhat.com. This is the official site of Red Hat. For training and certification, you need to go to services section and training and certification, or if I will directly click on this site, so here we have all the information like all courses, exam, all certification. If I will click on this one and scroll down, so here we have all the popular certification, RHCSA, RHCE, and specialist in container, OpenShift. Or if I will scroll down more, so here we have all the available certification of Red Hat. These are the certification, this much certification available for Red Hat. Right? If you will if you want to search by technology, so you can click here. For platform, these are the certification RHCSA, RHCE, and some other certification for cloud computing, data services, application services, automation and management, and application development. So these all are the certification available for Red Hat. If you want to sort by role, so you can click on this one, and here for administrator, these are the certification. For architect, these are the certification. For developer, these are the certification. For operator, engineer, so here we have the certification. So this is how you can check for the certification on the site. After it, like suppose if you want to like check for RHCSA, I want to learn for RHCSA, like what's the requirement, what is the prerequisites, or what's the fees, everything. If I want to check, so I will click on this RHCSA. So here we have certification details, skills, what you have to record, these, audience. So is the certification right for you? So experience Red Hat Enterprise Linux Administrator, or student who are attended RH124, 134. These are the two books for EX200 exam. So here we have info, then exam. So here this is the exam code, training. So here we have these books. These are the books which you need to learn for RHCSA. And in exam section, if I will click on this one, so here we have overview, like audience for the exam, prerequisites, and objective, if you will see. So here we have study points, like what you need to learn. These are the points. So this is the curriculum, we can say official curriculum: managed software, simple script, running system, local system. This time we are searching for RHCSA, so it is based on Red Hat 10. So here you can search what you need to know, preparation, exam format, score and reporting, everything is there. You can learn. If you want to like check the fees, what amount you need to pay, so you need to select here your country. If I will select here India, where is this one? So in India, click on Get Start, and when you will click on Get Start, so here, let it be open. So here you can see, here we have the output. So exam 6 classes. If you will choose this one, so you will get the 6 classes of RHCSA also, and then you will get the voucher for RHCSA also. The second one is individual exam. So from here you can book your exam. In India, the fees is 20,000 INR plus GST. For your country, like if you are from other countries, so you can filter from here. You can choose your country. Like if I will check for uh, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Ukraine, United Arab, okay, US. I want to search for US. Let's see how much you need to pay. So here you can say in US $500 USD you need to pay for individual exam. 3 hour exam will be there. From here you can add to cart and then you can book your exam. Right, so like this you can book your exam. You can pay the fees, you can check the fees, you can check the curriculum, study point, objectives, everything you can check for any of the certification. Right, so I think guys everything clear to you now, and if you have any doubts, so you can just comment and then I will give you the response. Or as I told you, like I have a Telegram channel also, there you can connect, there you can join, and there we have like many of the experts are there, so if we can discuss any of the issue if you have, or if I will be available, so I will also give you a response there. So we'll meet in next video.